The king of braised pork over rice. Extra 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 large meat. Add some sliced shallots, garlic, and onion into a pot of heated oil. Leave a portion of the mixture aside. After 2 to 3 minutes, put in some green onions. This is to ensure the green onions do not dry out. Turn up the heat and cook until golden brown. Sieve out the ingredients and save the oil. Cut some pork belly slices into thin strips. Historically, Taiwanese braised pork uses thin strips of pork belly. We'll also add 2 huge slices because we're the boss. Just softly run your knife through it diagonally and it'll cook nicely. Toss in 2 pieces of aniseed and fry till fragrant. Then, toss in the 2 big slices of pork belly followed by the small slices. Cook until the color changes to white. Then, toss in the raw onion mixture. Fry till you smell the fragrance of the shallots and onions. Fry till the onion mixture is golden brown. Add in some semi-hydrated shiitake mushrooms to suck out the fluids. Then, add some soy sauce to the side of the wok. Top it with some satay sauce and stir it around. Add a ladle of water and then some dark soy sauce. Then add in some white pepper. Top it all off with some cooking rose wine. Add in the fried onion mixture. Put everything into a clay pot and boil on high heat. Add some more dark soy sauce for the color and cover the pot. After 20 minutes, put in 3 hard-boiled eggs. Boil on high heat for another 30 minutes and low heat for 10 minutes and your pork is done. Add in the huge slice and here's the king of braised pork. Time to eat.